Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Craig Doby, digital media producer here. I notice a lot around my house, there's plenty of wildlife. I want to do the best I can on making this like a safe haven. If it's from squirrels, praying mantis, hummingbirds, they're all beautiful. I'm gonna teach you how today to make hummingbird nectar. Let's go. I'm gonna need to get some sugar. Next, we're gonna need a measuring cup. Perfect, got the measuring cup, sugar, we're good to go. Put 1 cup of sugar in this bad boy. I think the fake dye that they use at the stores is not really one of my things that I like to do for them. So, right, put this in the pot, put the water in there. Now that it's starting to boil, we can add our sugar. And you're gonna stir it until it dissolves. It's almost done. Now once it's all clear, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into the bottle. Now I'm gonna pour this in. Perfect, got it in there. Now we're gonna fill it in with some cool water. All right, set it out here now that it's all cool. All right, so if you paid attention to this whole video, ladies and gentlemen, you now know how to make your own hummingbird nectar.